friends, Pam Shepherd with Pamela Shepherd Productions, and little Miss Carol Ann, my grandbaby. She's 6 years old, and she wants to make a skirt. So we've taken this fabric that's called Glam, and she loves it. And from salvage to salvage, we need to cut down. We need to cut about 15 inches. So I'm going to show her how I'm going to square this up. She's not using a rotary cutter. I'm going to show her how to cut it at 15 inches with scissors. So we're going to get busy. Now see, Carolyn, I'm going to line this. You will cut yourself if you don't. If you're not careful, right. I'm going to line this up so that this line here and this line here, you pull it up so you can see. We're going to put this on this line, and we're going to put it on that line. And then Grammy's going to use one of these rotary cutters. I'll use this one. And we're going to cut that part. Whoops! Didn't cut it very good, did it? Yeah. Let me see. We got to cut it off, so now it's a straight edge. Now, what we're going to do, I'm going to have her use scissors. We're going to turn it the other way. And we're going to measure over 15 inches. And every one of these squares is an inch. So we're going to line it up really, really good on a line right here. And I'm going to have you count 15 squares. Start here. This is number 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15. Okay. So at the end of this, 18. Yeah, we have it on the 18 line. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get one of these pins and let you mark it. Let's use like a green one so that you can see it. Okay? So I'm going to hold this real tight for you, and you need to make yourself a line because you got to cut it with scissors. Remember, it's better if you start at the top and come down. There you go. Okay, do it again. Still not working?
Well,
maybe this one's empty.
Well, it is kind of.
Yeah. Okay, wait, let's get it. You can't just guess. You have to get it nice and straight. There you go. Maybe if we go straight up and down, it still puckers, doesn't it? Okay, good job though. Look, I think you can see it.
Yeah, you can.
Now, we're going to take these really, really, really sharp scissors, and Carol Ann's going to be really, really careful, and you need to cut it right straight on that line. And if you have to go slow, that's okay. You got to try to stay on the line, nice and straight. Good job. Now if you can't see it good enough, what we can do, watch this. Oh, you can, okay. All right. Okay, so Carol Ann is using this ruler by Clover, and it's the kind that you can iron on. So we got smaller iron out for her, and I'm gonna show you. She knows how to put that to the blue line. Okay, put it to the blue line, sweet girl. Got to make sure it's on the blue line. Pretty good, yeah? Now take your finger and kind of, oops, I'm touching the light and turning it off. There we go. Oops. Take your finger and press it down enough, and I'll hold it here, and you take your little iron. Iron it down. Oh. Whoop, don't burn your fingers, because it's really, really hot. Whoops, wait a minute. We got this one off a little bit. There you go. Now do it. Whoop. Grammy got this end off a little bit. Okay, it's important to get it right. Okay, good. All right, now you're going to take and we'll move this, and you're going to put got you some jelly beans. Well, let's put those over here for a minute. And you're going to take a pin, remember? And remember you pinch it and hold it up with your left hand. Well, no. And then go from this way to that way. There you go. Oops, go all the way through both pieces of fabric. No, you got to go all the way down. There you go. Perfect. Okay, great. All right, now we're going to scoot it down a little bit farther. Perfect. Okay, really good. Super good. Okay, now we're going to go to the end. Same thing, we got to get, because this is going to be the hem on your skirt. So listen, Grandma uses a little bit of this basting glue. It's for sewing. So I'm going to pull this little knob off of here. I think I can turn it and, yeah, pull it off. Now the glue's going to come out kind of fast. Look here. So I want you to put just, watch what I do just for a minute, and then you do it. Dot, 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 dot. Not very much. Don't squeeze it. Now turn this over and iron it while it's there. Iron this to hold the glue on. Okay, look how good that does. Now we're going to pull it this way, and you got to fold it over exactly here. Let me see how you fold it over. No, got to fold it first, but it's got to be even. See how it's even? You have to do it even. Wait a minute. Okay.
There's a bubble.
There's a bubble?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to do dot, 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 dot. You don't even need to squeeze it. Farther apart. Way over here. Way over here. Way over here. And way over here. Okay, now we're going to fold it over. And then you're going to iron that down. And it's going to hold it for you till you sew it. Got to come down this way too. Down here. Got to iron down here, because we had glue down here. There you go. Okay, now, what do you do with, what do you think you do with this fabric? If we put this under here, you leave that folded, and then you fold it that much again. See how that's going?
Oh, okay.
So then once you do that, then you put a little bit of glue, not very much, farther apart. One more, okay. Let's fold it over. Okay, so you want to iron that. Okay. Now, keep that metal piece right to the next. Good job. Super good job. Yep, yep, yep. Good job. And if you need to stop and fix the fabric, just stop it. Make sure you keep it right up against there. Okay, you better stop it because your fabric's all messed up. You got to get your fabric all fixed up because you got a lot of fabric in the way here. Okay, now, getting out too far. Get it back over there at the edge. Uh-oh. Maybe, there you go. Here's the problem. Stop it and I'll show you the problem. Okay, go ahead and lift it up and cut it.
This one's the thread one. So that one goes, and this one is from there.
Look here. When you went too far out, you missed your whole fabric. So you got to go back, and you got to get this right next to it. You don't have very much room. And you got to stay right next to it so it gets on the fabric. There you go. Look at that. That's perfect. Really super good. Super, super good. Got to finish doing it clear to the end. It's easier to do it before we sew the skirt together. Okay, there you go. You only have just a little bit more to go and make it a whole skirt. Okay. Somehow we lost the footage of folding it up and getting it ready at the top where she's going to put the elastic through. But we got it all folded over. She glued it and now she's stitching that part so we can put the elastic through. You go a little slower or faster? Slow? That's too slow, right? Is that good? You're at the fabric now, you better stop. Okay, unfold this a little bit. You have another spot. Super good. Okay, you're just almost done with your skirt. Stay on your line. We drew a line down the side and she's stitching the front parts together so that she has the side of the skirt, and the cat is bugging her. The cat got down on her feet. Oh, my video has got left on. Okay, pull it off. Okay, you're running your elastic through. Pull it off the back and keep going. It's going to get real crunchy. And hold it on the needle. And then pull it off the back. Okay. Pull it off the back. Keep going until you get to the hole. Oh, I have to do another hole. I forgot. Okay. She did a fabulous job. I was so proud of her, and she wore her skirt to school the very next day with her leggings, and she loves that. Thanks for watching so much, and we'll talk to all you good people later. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up and some positive comments. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.